Hey there! I'm Rick, an artist embarking on some exciting new projects. I'll soon be painting on big canvases. Since they can be pricey to buy, I decided to make my own. But first, I needed a big, flat, solid surface to work on to make them. So I built one using materials I had on hand. We recently tore down a wall in our home, leaving me with some spare 2x4s. I sawed them in half, planning to use them for my canvases mainly. I also found a large flat board left behind by the previous owners of our home, which was perfect for this project. I started by laying out the 2x4s on the board and measuring them to fit. Then I set up my saw, cut up the pieces to size, and pre-drilled the holes to make assembling easier and not split the wood. When my power drill struggled with the screws, I used nails and finished by sanding the edges to avoid splinters. Next, I flipped the board over, screwed it onto the 2x4s, and tied the finished platform onto a sturdy, adjustable work table I bought. This way, it's at the perfect height for working, and I can easily break it down and store it when I'm not using it. It's not perfect, but it works for now. If you'd like to see my future videos about making the canvases, painting on them, and other art projects, be sure to subscribe. Truly, every single simple like on this video helps me out. My goal right now is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit that milestone, I'll hold a drawing for a free art print for one of my first 1,000 subscribers. They can choose what print they want. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're curious, you can check out my art at ricktheutah.artist.com. That's ricktheuthahartist.com. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to share more of my art journey with you. Take care, and until next time, stay creative.